Hey guys, I'm going to be walking you through how to auto page number your pages inside of parent pages for InDesign. So as I'm inside of my pages palette, if I double click into my parent page, I end up with my two spreads, right? Or my two pages, my facing pages. And we know how parent pages work because we just saw that in a previous video. However, some constructive things you can use parent pages for, other than just the recommendations and things I was talking about in the video, but something that you'll want to do pretty regularly is add page numbers to your document. So if I come in here and I click with my type tool, and I'll be showing you guys in detail how to use this type tool, but for sake of argument and how to do this, we just click and drag just like we would in Illustrator. And I'm going to go in here and go to Type, Insert Special Character, click a marker, and current page number. Keyboard shortcut for that is Shift Command Option N if you're following along with keyboard shortcuts. I can never remember it, so I have to do it this way. This gives me an A, right? And you're like, what the heck? That's A parent. What is going on? Why would it give you an A, not a number? So that is a marker that is not actually, it is text, but it's not actually something specific. InDesign is basically going to change this marker based on the page that we're on. So if I'm on page 2, it gives me a 2. If I'm on page 4, oh, I gotta apply the master page or the parent page to 4, it gives me a 4, right? 6, 8, 10, and so on. All right? So if I come in there and I say, in my parent page, I want there to be, let's do magazine, title, and then give it a page number, which is already there. Let's stylize this a little bit. I'm going to make this bold, and let's do this in, I don't know, Mrs. Eves. Let's do all of it. I like Mrs. Eves. It's a cool typeface. Oops, let's replace that. Let's go back and go to Type, Insert Special Character, Marker, and Current Page Number, and that's going to give me a page number here. So now, let's do all caps. Let's do, yeah, that's fine. Let's do small caps. That's easier. All right. Sorry, guys. I have to do it this way. So now it's going to take the word magazine title and then the A, or the marker, and it's going to place magazine title in front of every single page number. So this is kind of cool. If you want to do the same thing to the right side pages, you would literally just copy and paste this. And instead of left aligning it, you would right align it. So we can go into our paragraph palette. I got it open here somewhere. No, maybe I don't. Type, paragraph. Sorry guys, I accidentally closed it. We'll do a right align. I like to flip these around though, right? I like to take this and put it over here. That way when I go to my right side pages, my page numbers are always on the inside. All right, so that's auto page numbering. If you change your file around and you move things around, the page numbers will follow as they need to. But auto page numbering is pretty simple, and it's a nice way to add a nice little touch to your design without having to do a ton of work.